Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your game development with Unity. Learn step by step clearly. Open Unity and ensure you have the latest version installed. Begin by creating a new project using the 2D or 3D template, depending on your game's genre. Familiarize yourself with the Unity interface, including the Scene View, Game View, and Inspector panel. Explore the Asset Store to find relevant assets that can enhance your game's visuals and functionality. Import your chosen assets into your project by dragging them into the Assets folder. Create your first scene by navigating to File, then New Scene. Set up your environment by adding terrain or placing 3D models in your scene. Use the GameObject menu to add characters, enemies, and obstacles to your level. Create prefabs for reusable game objects to streamline your development process. Scripting is crucial for gameplay. Create a new C# script by right-clicking in the Assets folder. Open the script in your preferred code editor and start coding basic functionality. Test your game frequently by clicking the play button to see how your game mechanics work in real time. Utilize Unity Learn for tutorials on specific topics like animations, physics, and AI behaviors. Incorporate user input by using the input system to control character movement and interactions. As you develop, regularly save your work and consider using version control software like Git. Build your game incrementally, adding features one at a time and testing them thoroughly. Once your core gameplay mechanics are in place, start refining graphics and user interface elements. Optimize your game for performance by checking your frame rate and adjusting asset quality as needed. Consider gathering feedback from playtesters to identify areas for improvement. Incorporate analytics to track player engagement and behavior within your game. When your game feels polished, prepare for deployment by configuring your project settings. Export your game for your target platform by navigating to File, then Build Settings. Finally, share your game with your audience and continue to update it based on player feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.